Hello, this is Mr. Garby. As you all know, we are on Chapter 2 and now approaching Lesson 2, and we are going to be talking about estimating percents. Okay, so open your book to page 112. Let's look at example 1. First, I'm going to show you the standards. Alright, so 7.RP.3, it's ratios and proportions. We are still in that standard. These percents and decimals are very much related to what we did last chapter. Okay, so 7.RP.3. Use proportional relationships to solve multi-step ratio and percent problems. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to solve percent problems, but we're estimating this time. And the next standard, solve multi-step real life and mathematical problems posed with positive and negative rational numbers in any form. And it goes on, but we're only going to be doing positive numbers. Okay, so example 1, I'll read it. Jody has paid 62% of the $500 she owes for her loan. Estimate 62% of $500. Okay, so in this question, we need to estimate. So what does it mean to estimate? Well, estimate is an approximate answer. If we're trying to figure something out real quick, maybe in our heads in the future, we bring that percent to a whole number. So we're going to round the percent. 62%. What should we round that to make it easy to find a percent of 500? Okay, I keep getting stopped here, so I think I left off at 60% is what we round 62 down to. Now, if that was 65%, let's say it was 65%, we would round to 70%, okay? But in this problem, it's 62%, so we're going to round to 60%. So this is a problem that you learn how to solve in Lesson 1. There's two ways to do it. The first way, you can change it to the percent to a decimal. The second way, you can change the percent to a fraction. So you can do it however you want. And in the book, it changes it to a fraction. Now, this question doesn't say change the percent to a decimal, and it doesn't say change the percent to a fraction. So in this case, you can use either way. So I'm going to show you both ways. 60%, you move the decimal, you pretend it's right there. Well, it is right there, the decimal point. And you move it over twice. Okay? So now it's 0.6. Of is always times 500. So 0.6 times 500. You can do that out. That's equal to 300. The other way, 60%. Percent means per 100. Okay? Cent in Latin means 100. It's going to abbreviate 100 to hund. So you can know it's per 100. 60 per 100 times of is times 500. Now it's 500, but it's also 500 over 1. Okay? And you multiply it out. You can cross simplify here. 100 goes into 100 1 times. 100 goes into 500 5 times. And then you just multiply across. You do not cross multiply here. You do not do this. What I'm doing right now, you don't do that. Okay? Because we're multiplying. This isn't equal. We're multiplying. So you go right across. Alright? So, see if I can undo it. Nope, I can't undo it. Just note that this blue stuff right here, you do not want to do that. Alright. That's example 1.